In this video, I am going to tell you how you can use Kittl app online tool to create social media post. For example, you create social media post for your Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Kittl app is very useful and very user friendly. I use it often. I will directly show you in my PC how you can use Kittl app and make designs and mockups. So first of all, you need to open this kittl.com, kittl.com. so make sure to enter the correct spelling, and after that you can log in with your Gmail ID. So after logging into Kittl, you need to click on new project. First of all, you can choose for which you want. For example, let's create for Instagram. So look for Instagram post and click on create. After that, you need to look for templates. So you can look for a specific niche from here. I am looking for footwear, so let me some template for footwear. So let me search a footwear related template here. So I just search shoes here, and you can see there are so many free templates. This one is paid, so you can look for any free template from here. I will look for simple template as of now. So I added this one now, and now I will work on this. So I will replace this picture from my, so I will upload my picture here. So let me open my picture now. You can also drag and drop it, like simply drag and drop your image here. So this is my footwear. You can add it anywhere. You can increase the size of the footwear like this, and there is a good tool like remove background. So there is an option of removing background here, right hand side. You can see, just simply remove the background from here. It is very easy within one tap, which I like, which is not available in many other tools. So just one tap on remove background, and it will, within few seconds, it will remove the background. You can see background is completely removed now. You can change the logo from here. You can enter your alignment option, transform option, layer option is also there. You can increase and layer size from here. You can select, and it is very useful. And you can change the text color from here, and you can find mockups as well here. Scroll down and look for all these things. So it is very easy to do all these features. You can see it's better than many paid tools even. You can see there's a mockup option. You just tap on this, and you can you choose your board accordingly. You can choose your artboard accordingly. You can click on create a mockup. So you can see this type of images created. You can make other changes from here. It is very easy tool, which I would say you should use. You can export it from here as well, like in PNG size. You can select here. Free plan up to maximum 800 pixel. You can get it from here, and you can export directly from here. You can use other tools as well from here. So you can do required changes according to, you can change the logo, you can change this content according to your needs, but it is very useful. You can find so many free templates. Just you can download it. Simply click on download, and it will export the picture for you. You can save this picture from here. Simply save it, and you can go back to your PC, and you can simply extract your photograph from here. So this is the posters design which I have got. So it is very useful. So you should use this application, and it will create very good images for you. So it will create very good posters for you, that too free of cost, and I have not paid anything to them. You can find so many other templates as well, and do the required changes using this online app. I hope friends, now you will be able to use this application. In case you face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure to give a reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.